Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a Dollar Tree haul here. This is from 3 different stores and 2 different days. And I'm gonna just show you their Dollar Tree items. Some is fall, some is Halloween, and some is actually Christmas. First thing I picked up is 4 of these. They are for a project. There are those little plastic skulls. They will not look like that by the time I'm done. So I got them. Yeah. Then, they finally got these in by me. I'm so stoked. So I got 3 of them. Those are for a project as well. And then I bought these. Look at, haha, they are socks that have the little red truck fall looking. Aren't they cute? Had to buy me a pair of them. I think I got every holiday that come out. And then found these. They're little faces. They're like pumpkin kits. And you can put them on the pumpkins. I thought there was 4. There is 4. Here's the 4th one. Oh, I should have grabbed 4 of these. Oh well. I can pick up another one of them down the road. But you got the black cat, the unicorn, and then this one, and then this one. I'll have to grab one more styrofoam pumpkin. I thought the kids would enjoy doing them. So I'll have to grab one more styrofoam pumpkin next time in there. And if I don't get it, I don't get it. Alrighty. I got some of this bag filler. A little purple. That one. And then I found the fall Rub Ons. I got 3 each of them. Oops. 3 of each of them. One set is from a friend because I didn't know if she had them or didn't have them. So, but you got the fall leaves, the little bird. It says hello autumn, fall, fall. And then you got the muted fall colors. And then you got the leaves. So I picked up them. I hit the jackpot today because it's a hit or miss for me. And then I picked up, I wanted the orange ones for Halloween, but I didn't find, but they had the Christmas ones out of the lead light tubes. So I got 3 of them. And I know Sabrina grabbed me these, but I grabbed some anyways. The little red truck lights and the little gnomes. Oh, that's Santa. My bad. Oh well. Santa. I thought they were gnomes. Wow, my eyes are bad, but that's alright. So I got them. They will be used. And then I needed tea lights. I didn't have the regular tea lights, but I thought these were what a project I'm working would work. They change. So I thought that'd look cool anyways. So, and this is all I actually went for Dollar Tree. This for tea lights today. But as you can see, it didn't stay that way. But hey, that's how it happens. And then I got this purple one, and then this black one. I'm for a project. And I got this one, and this one, silver and purple, silver and black. Them are also for a project. And then I got these little pumpkins. Those are for a project as well. And I grabbed 2 of these. Those are for a project as well. And got some of these. They didn't have the flowers I really wanted, so I grabbed these and I'm just going to spray them. So I got 1, 2, 3 of those. Done my 4 projects. Got some filler. I thought it looked Halloween, and I'm going to mix it. I think that looks pretty good together. And I got me these creepy hands. I found the ones that glowed in the dark. Today, at the one store, they actually had the ones that were this color. Palm, bones. So I picked them up. And due to the fact that the one store, they didn't have no tea lights, and I had one tea light at home. I grabbed a pack of these just in case. I didn't know how long the tea lights would come in just for the effect. And I thought he was adorable. I've not seen these before. I grabbed 2 of them. Just a little skeleton. It's wood and he moves, guys. Check him out. I was so stoked when I seen him. I was like, oh, I want to work with him. His little bones just move. They're all wired. So I got him. I got 2 of them. I thought they were so cool. Okay. Alright. What's the next thing? Alright. They had Christmas stuff out. And I got this guy. He's on a stake. And then I got this one with the candy canes. And then I got this one with the snowflake. Aren't they cute? Don't resist. Then, I got red trucks and gnomes, I tell you. Gnomes for the holiday. Aren't they cute? And I got this one. Merry Christmas. And welcome, the little gnome. I think this year I'm going to do my bathroom and gnomes. And then, I think I've seen somebody haul these a while ago in my store, just got them in. There was Sabrina. But these have Christmas tree on top, so maybe they're the ones that I seen were different. The blue. And the green. That is my haul all. That's it. It was a biggie. And I have to thank Side Gig because most of this was purchased with the gift card I won. So I had money to play with. So, and I kind of like the gnomes was a bonus. Matter of fact, the skulls and these were not bought on the gift card. So I didn't have it yet. But and these weren't bought on the gift card either. I mean, you guys don't need to know what was bought on a gift card and what wasn't. But I used some of it. So like I said, these are $3 trees. Okay? And some was bought on a gift card and some was bought with my own money. But when I walked into the second Dollar Tree to look for the tea lights and they were putting up the Christmas stuff, yeah, I was like, oh my God. And I know if you don't grab it when you see it, you ain't gonna get it. But a lot of this is a future project and future in home decor for my house. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.